Hey guys, so this is Patty for Congolese Sister. This is my Pat McGrath makeup look inspired. I hope you will like this video. Before watching the video, don't forget. Sorry, I don't know what's wrong today. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you on the other side. Okay, so I'm starting off this look like my face is already done. So I'm just going to focus. This is a look all about the eyes. So I'm gonna start with my eyeliner, and basically I'm recreating a look. I'm recreating a look that I saw from Pat McGrath. Just give me a second, I'll show you guys. And I will also try to put like a photo of it, like that you can see it clearer. So this is the look I'm trying to recreate. It's like a video right now, and it's from Pat McGrath. And I don't have a black diamond, so I'll just use my regular diamond basically. So yeah, let's go ahead and recreate this look. I'm gonna keep it open because I know I will need to look it regularly. I'm kind of stressed because I'm not used to, I don't like doing my eyeliner or eyelashes on camera, so this is gonna be a first for me. I'm just gonna tuck my hair in like this. Don't mind like these little hair sticking out. It's just life, guys. Sometimes it is what it is, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, so I'm gonna do that. I'm so nervous, oh my god. Okay, so here I go. I'm gonna mute the part that I'm gonna put my eyeliner is the NICKAK eyeliner, the one that I always use. So this is the eyeliner I will be using. I'm gonna mute this part because I really need concentration while doing that. Meanwhile, I'm gonna go look at a video, so yeah, concentration. So yeah, well, just enjoy me doing my eyeliner, and hopefully it looks cute. I have some foundation in case I fuck up, so I'm just gonna like go over it with my foundation. So yeah. Okay, so I think I'm done with the eyes. Oh, I mean like with the eyeliner. I'm not done with the eyes. I think that is as good as it will get. So now I will go into placing my diamonds. And basically my diamonds is actually diamonds that I bought for my nails. I bought them on eBay. You can find them like, just write like diamonds for nails or like diamond for art, and you will find them on eBay. Also, I'm kind of ratchet. I just glue them with like my lash glue because I don't have like no specific glues. I'm gonna show you my diamonds. It's just, I got like a pack like this, and it has like different sizes. So I'm gonna look at the video again, and I'm gonna place them like depending on, I'm gonna kind of like make it my own, I guess. It's not gonna be like 100% like hers, but yeah, like we gonna twist it, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I'm gonna put you I'm gonna mute it again because I need my concentration, and I'll be back. Well, yeah, I'll be back to finish it all, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, let's finish this shit. So this is my finished look, guys. This is my Pat McGrath inspired makeup look. It took me so much time to do that. Like, I didn't think it would take me that much time. No kidding, I literally spent 2.5 hours just on my eyes. So in a total, I spent like 3.5 hours for my, like, if I would have done this video, it would have been like 3.5 hours. That is so much, but like at the end of the look, I just love it. And damn, like, I didn't put lashes. Like, normally I always need lashes, but I feel like it's cute like this. I like it. What do you think? Well, you know what, just leave your comments down below in the description box. Tell me what you think about this look. I just want to thank you guys so much for staying throughout this whole video. Thank you for all the love and support, guys. Don't forget to comment, share, like, and subscribe. And yeah, just keep in touch with us, and we'll see you soon. And also, I forgot, on my lips, because I didn't show it, I just use my normal Kylie Cosmetics lip liner True Brown K with my Stebeat Beauty clear lip gloss. This is like my go-to, and I feel like with a look like this is what complements it the most. And so bless up, have a blessed day, night, evening, whatever it is, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys. We just wanna party, we don't wanna hurt nobody. We just wanna